Hi, and thanks for returning to Coin Lady channel. You must understand what's happening and why people are referring to this price point as a downturn before Jasmine coin drops to 5 cents. It's going to blow up. Remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons to ensure you keep informed about all the happenings in the cryptocurrency space during this bull market and don't lose out on the opportunity to make $1. Having said that, allow me to briefly discuss Jasmine and the reasons behind the widespread calls for a 5-cent pricing point. Now, if you've been living under a rock, you've missed Jasmine's incredible 200 to 300% surge. And in preparation for the next leg up, we're currently in a slight phase of consolidation. Furthermore, the operation of the market will be analogous to that of Bitcoin. At 69.3, we witnessed the blast off top, spanning approximately 66 at that point and maintaining that support level. As a result, if we look at the global market capitalization, we can see that it was roughly 4% the day following the significant incident that saw $1.2 billion liquidated out of the cryptocurrency market worldwide. There, Bitcoin is seen circling around 66,000. You'll see that as we go down the list. I'm the only one who remains in the top 100. Right now, the 97th ranked cryptocurrency is trading for about 2 cents. However, what are we hoping to discuss in this video? More precisely, there are a few crucial metrics that, in my opinion, are pushing the price potential down below 5 cents. It's not just me who thinks that, either. However, you must comprehend Jasmine's core values. We've covered a lot of ground on this channel on data democratization, the anticipated release date of Junction, how it will function, and the overall long-term strategy and plan for JASMY. However, there are a few key differences that essentially make Jasmine stand out from a lot of other coins, especially in its industry, where it has been exceptionally unique. Thus, we can examine IoT. As I've mentioned several times, Jasmine is really starting to shine in terms of the Internet of Things, everything being connected, and ultimately the data being shared. However, you can see that Jasmine is growing and is currently the second largest coin by volume. Additionally, FAT Jr. has been steadily increasing to over $1 billion in volume, demonstrating the money in the market. We are aware that individuals are searching for worthwhile initiatives to invest in since they have a lot of promise and have been there for a while. The size of the price is demonstrated by the sector's entire market capitalization of about $10.8 billion and trading volume of slightly less than $1.9 billion. You have items like Helium, IOTA VeChain MXC, Fetch AI, and many more, and me ranking second among them all. Now, there are undoubtedly a few important foundations about Jasmine that we have discussed extensively on the channel. These include the reality that the entire supply is in circulation and that the approximate total max supply is 50 billion. Furthermore, we are aware that 299, or 98.6% of the total supply is in circulation. You may be asking yourself, well, what does that resemble? Why does that matter? When it comes to the circulating supply, there's a great quote from Cities that goes like this: once a talk reaches its maximum supply, the coin supply becomes static because miners can no longer create the tokens. The demand should continue to grow until it reaches a maximum cap, which they believe guarantees value gains because there aren't too many such coins. And in the end, this is how people feel about scarcity. And when you consider Jasmine's future and the reasons it will be crucial to keep onto that coin, you should be able to understand the direction this is taking and the significance of getting rid of the circulating supply. Not to mention the Q4 lockup of a ton of other stuff that are in store for me alone. The fact that the supply is limited and in circulation in people's hands is essentially just. We also know that Bitcoin is peer-to-peer. So at what price point are you selling your JASMY? Given that the major players will want to acquire it, institutions will want to acquire it particularly, and if it's truly monetizing data from everyone, that's going to drive the market insane. However, as I mentioned earlier, I'm not the only one who anticipates this pricing. Many people have been in to discuss the outlook for the next 5 to 10 years, specifically with regard to price points, fundamentals, and the direction of the market. As you can see, many people are projecting that 496, alternatively 5 cents in 2024 may increase to midnight, the 5s to the high 90s, or 2030. Looking ahead can reveal a possible 20 cents. You now have to accept everything as it comes. This information is not factual. In the end, though, given the state of the market and its potential, it's all conjecture. We observed that significant correction yesterday. However, the truth is that research is being done on jasmine. It's a currency that has historically received little attention because of the circulating supply and the evidently high bar from the all-time high when the supply did get issued. People have essentially refused to touch. However, there are still certain fundamentals that need to be addressed. We still have a staff that is committed to delivering on this, though, and at last, it is beginning to receive some acknowledgement for the work it is doing. If you look at the chart, you can see that this consolidation is occurring once more on the hourly time frame. It appears to be a slight push down, likely approaching the 200 exponential moving average, but it has recently broken through the hourly 0.5 fib. As a result, we should expect this to decline a little more and retest at this lower range before it may begin to move. As you can see, we are printing the peaks and troughs once more, which is significant. We also had an instantaneous lower bottom, which is another reason why, considering Bitcoin's capacity for a rally, the market may easily go lower at this point. This might reverse and once more show the support levels around 618 and 786. So we might soon be rising once more and testing those greater highs in terms of JASMY. The MACD is trending almost perfectly, and if you follow it, you can see that we'd cover a very similar pattern before that big breakout on multiple occasions, which in my opinion really sets up for an explosive move up to that 5-cent range coming very, very soon. Similarly, the RSI is now trading back into the center, giving us a real bit of headroom to grow both price and volume. But as always, please share your thoughts with me in the comments section below. Do you think highly of JASMY? As always, please let me know in the comments if you believe we've reached our peak. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you thought the video was awesome. Bye, and see you soon.